something, Arnab. 90% plus of the cases of rape are done by fathers, brothers, neighbors.
So,
fathers,
so why should they not be castrated?
Chachas, mamas.
So what does that have to do with the argument
that
Kavita, calm down. Kavita,
I'm saying the pressure on women will be doubled.
Do you talk about murder like that?
One at a time, please. Kavita, 1 minute.
Whether a person is related.
Can I request everyone not to speak at the same time?
Ma'am, whether the person is
Kunal, 1 minute. Kunal, Meenakshi, everyone one at a time. Kavita, please, please. 1 second. To everyone, I'm requesting, especially Kavita. See, Kavita, I know you're very strong and passionate views on this whole subject, but so do everyone. And today, please realize this. 1 minute. I want to say this. This issue of making sure that this country, where 873% rapes have increased over 40 years, this issue is not limited to a few activists alone. I'll be very direct. It's become a mass issue. Nobody holds a proprietary ownership over it. The women of India hold proprietary ownership over it. No NGOs and no activists have proprietary ownership over this issue. And the ones who have suffered have proprietary ownership on this issue, not activists alone. Let me say that directly.
Their point of view is equally important. If the women of this country feel that there is a certain kind of treatment which should be given to these people, I think their point of view should be taken. They should not take a high ground sitting somewhere that says these women don't know what they're asking for. I mean, we are there, the governance is there for them.
I don't know.
If they are feeling, marginalized, they are feeling compromised, I think their voice is very important and those voices have to be included. They want firm action.
Yeah, I want to also mention here, we have seen several cases when those accused of a particular crime have repeated their crime. Sudha Ramalingam, I'm coming to you next, have repeated their crime within years due to a lenient punishment. I want to tell our viewers, in the July Rohini 2012 murders in Delhi, the main accused, 20-year-old Mahesh, along with his accomplices, murdered 2 elderly women. They had committed a murder 2 years ago, but they were let off because they were a minor. Many of our viewers are telling us the person who carried out the most demonic assault is the 17-year-old minor, is a juvenile. Now, if that juvenile gets away, we don't care about his human rights. He carried out the most demonic assault on this 23-year-old girl. If he gets away here, and if he's out on the streets once again in the future, then how safe will the women of the city of Delhi feel?
Not safe. Forget safe. What would you feel?
We need to
just because there are grey areas in law, somebody should not get scot-free. If he's able to do that act, that heinous crime, he has to be, punished for that.
So then,
we have to find ways of doing it, and I think that's what. Also, I think why are we shying away from saying that there is a decisive action against such crime is required, and high time we introspect and look at our laws and the implementation of those laws. Why are we shying away from that? I think nobody is saying that this is a definite answer. I do not know, because the chemical castration I was reading is a very complicated thing to sort of implement. Now, nobody is saying this is the answer, but what people want, people of this country want, and that has to be respected, is that they want
in 1979, Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer suggested the idea of castration as punishment for rapists. He said an anti-aphrodisiac treatment or willing castration is a better recipe for this hypersexed human being than outright death. And I have numerous judgments which speak of this. Of course, this is upsetting the human. No, the problem is somewhere our human rights lobbies, are very uncomfortable today.
But the point is,
very uncomfortable with tough laws on anyone.
With human rights lobbies.
No, I know you're not. I'm saying generally human rights lobbies. Human rights lobbies need to look at the human rights of the victim as well, for a change. Indu Malhotra, where do you stand on this? Indu Malhotra, please.
Yeah, my thinking is that in so far as castration is concerned, I think most people are not aware of castration, because chemical castration is a reversible process and the implementation of it is extremely difficult. It is by injecting a drug, an anti-androgen drug, every 3 months. Where is the supervision? Who will follow up? How will the implementation take place?
No, but
I personally feel that chemical castration
what we as citizens are asking for, what we as citizens are asking for is stricter punishment.
Yes, so what?
we are asking for is stricter
Life
punishment.
imprisonment with
Stricter
rigorous
punishment for rapists,
without
stricter
parole
punishment
is a
for
much
eve
better
teasing.
solution.
We need those
Because
to be
even
implemented.
in so far as mandatory death sentence is concerned, that has been considered to be unconstitutional by the Supreme Court.
Well, what about, I would say, trampling upon the individual rights of life and liberty of a rapist? I'm proposing this, Sudha Ramalingam. You see,
Arnab,
all sex offenders,
three of the women panelists are against the suggestions you're making.
No, don't divide this into standard, stereotypical, predictable woman-men divides. Don't do this. No, Kavita, don't do this.
Think about it.
No, Kavita also understand. No, Kavita, understand.
Because there's a history of the women's movement behind it.
Kavita,
it's nothing to do with human rights.
Kavita, please understand.
It's to do with the history of the
Please
women's
understand.
movement.
You have succeeded in brainwashing a lot of people.
Kavita,
that doesn't make it right.
Kavita, please
It's
understand.
not me.
Kavita,
I'm
don't
saying
get...
the entire women's movement with the largest
No,
number
of
of
course
women
people like you.
members
And
in their
you could have
organizations.
been a part of
Thousands and
victim of,
thousands of women have not
brainwashing.
asked for this. Have not asked for this. The reason
Thousands
is not.
and thousands of
I
women
cannot
have asked for it, we have
I
suffered.
cannot have
And
the,
we are
the
making the
discourse
law
that
for
women
them.
have struggled
You know,
for.
I'm
They have
sorry to
struggled
say,
to make the
sometimes what
experience of
happens-
women recognized by the law. They have struggled for the expansion of the definition of rape. They have struggled for stricter punishment for sexual assault causing grievous hurt short of murder.
Yes.
They have asked for it, but they
And-
have never asked for these solutions
Now,
simply because
one
these are
second.
solutions that
One-
will make
one-
it more
one
difficult for
second.
women to file a complaint.
Because
I have to
women-
say this
women
here
movement-
because you
women
haven't
movement-
called anyone
Kavita-
except me from the women's groups that have been
Kavita, 1
working
minute.
on this
Kavita,
ground.
you must.
Take the solutions coming from the ground, not don't pluck them from the sky.
Kavita, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Kavita, 1 second. I just want to say one thing to you, please. Please understand this. That everybody has a right to have a voice in this country. Right? That's one. And please understand this, that everybody has a right to ask whether the laws are effective. If we show any slightest amount of intellectual intolerance to the opposite point of view and say, I am from the women's movement and I feel so, I represent women and all of you people don't and the others don't, then it might be a display of intellectual intolerance which may be inappropriate
not
given the
intellectual.
occasion. Yes,
It's about women.
that's all I'm telling you here.
I
So
remember,
have
like
an
to say
open
something
debate on
here.
this. Have an
Sometimes
open
what
debate on
happens
this.
is that we intellectualize a problem
What's-
and the
Kunal
problem
Kohli
gets
speaking,
stuck
yeah.
in debates
Yeah.
and solutions do not come out.
I take your point. Meenakshi Lekhi, before I come to you here, I want to get in Sudha Ramalingam. I'm opening this up after that. Let's first agree that everybody has a say.
First talk about how these things are being sensationalized and not sensitized. What we are talking of doing all this while is just to sensationalize one particular case with knee-jerk reactions.
What
Let us
sensationalize which case?
Think about
No,
law.
sensationalize
Let's have
which
a
case?
just judicial
1 minute.
system.
Sensationalize
Let's
which
actually
case?
have a proper
Which
training
case?
and
Which case is being
and
sensationalized?
ensure
Let her
that there is
speak.
scientific
No, 1 minute, Kavita, she can speak for herself.
investigation is that. Please,
Sudha,
let me
which
talk.
case is being
Tomorrow,
sensationalized?
Arnab Goswami may also be slapped with a false case.
Which
Would he
case-
then also ask for
which
all
case
these
is being
things? Let us
sensationalized?
Understand, we should not be sensitized.
Which case is being sensationalized?
Kavita was right. She was making a real point. But you do not, you want to shut us up. You want to show that all human rights activists are wrong. No, we have been right, not only today, right
Miss-
from the
Miss
beginning.
Ramalingam.
From Prakash Narayan days, we have been fighting against rationality. We
Miss
do not want to
Ramalingam.
become barbaric nation. We would like to be a humane state.
Right.
We would like to be a democratic state, a state which will adhere to the UNO's principles, to which we have been signing as parties. So let us not sensationalize things. Please,
No, what
Arnab,
is being
kindly
sensationalized?
understand that
You know,
are sensationalizing.
Ma'am, we are all on the
There is
same
an
side
avenue
here.
which are TV
I
channels
am
today
surprised
to
at
show
your
that
reaction.
All of us are wrong.
You know,
and we have been fighting
can I
against
just say
all
something?
odds for all these years.
Miss-
These are lobbyists.
Arnab, I
Can
don't
I-
understand.
One
We are
sec,
all
one
on the
sec,
same
one sec,
side
Miss
here.
Ramalingam, have we
Where is
agreed?
this debate going?
One sec. Can we please have someone respond to you and to Miss Kavita Krishnan? Let's have all points of view. You see, so one, please hear the other side, right?
So what-
and Prasun Joshi has something to say. He's not an activist, but I think he, as a citizen of India, has the right to have an opinion. Yes, Prasun Joshi. go ahead.
I respect your
opinion.
Listen,
I respect your
And media has a larger role to play, not to sensationalize. Really,
no.
What is
media
being
has a role
sensationalized?
To sensitize people.
Yes. Okay. I completely understand your sentiment and respect that your human rights sentiment on this. But what you need to understand also, I am surprised. That I am look at just listen to me for a while. I am surprised that while the whole nation has so much of outrage. At this juncture, we are hearing reporting of so many cases.
Yeah.
It has become, the current fear is not enough. The people have no fear when they deal with women. They find it very casual. Something really drastic needs to be done here. Same Delhi where people are protesting on the street, the same Delhi, the night you see a man misbehaving with a girl and molesting a girl. There is no fear. There has to be something concrete done here. I tell you, I'm aghast by the men of this country that people have not beaten, what we call eve teasing, which is a wrong term, which should not exist. The woman being dealt or harassed and somebody has not beaten him into pulp. And this atmosphere, I feel there is something very serious needs to be done. In law and order, in society, society's acceptance towards the treatment towards women. I think we need to take a serious call here. And yes, human rights comes later, but you have to deal with the human rights of women right now. You have to take their side right now and see that they get their justice.
I'm actually saying here very clearly that
But women's justice in the molestation case
and it
you
is also,
mentioned.
I'd just like to add to
In
what
the
Mr.
molestation
Prasun Joshi
case
is
you
saying over
mentioned.
here. It is an absolute shame
Man who
when
did the molestation
a woman is teased in public.
brother of this girl.
Ma'am, can I say
imagine
something,
what that
please?
little girl will go
Ma'am,
through?
I'd like to just make a point here.
How
One
difficult
second,
it is
Sudha
for her to
Ramalingam,
Ma'am, I'd
file
like
a
to make a
complaint.
point here.
1 second.
I'd like to
Because it is
take
her own
Mr.
kin who
Prasun
will
Joshi's
be-
point further.
Who will be penalized. It
One
takes
second.
up
Kavita
so,
Krishnan.
so much
The
difficulty
fear
to
is not
persuade a
there.
young
Kavita
girl
Krishnan.
to file a complaint.
Kavita
Ma'am,
Krishnan,
can I just say something? One minute.
Kavita
Person facing the
Krishnan, I don't
complaint
understand.
gets castrated.
I don't understand at all. And I don't think anybody can understand how tougher laws are a problem. I can understand, have quicker convictions, remove the
I'm trying to
social
tell you why,
stigma.
because it deters women from filing a complaint.
Really? So you are saying, you are actually saying, you are actually saying,
Ma'am, I'm saying that.
I don't understand this argument. 1 second. Kavita, please listen. You are actually saying that the victim
try
will
and
be
understand,
worried.
then let me tell you.
Please listen, Kavita.
Yes.
Listen
Yes.
to me. Listen
Yes,
to
yes,
me.
I am telling you
Listen
that.
to me. Allow a question to be asked.
The victim is under
Allow a
pressure.
question to be asked. Allow a question to be asked.
Go ahead.
Right?
Go ahead.
Yeah. You are actually saying today that a victim will be worried that the accused will be punished. Now, all I know is that in this
I didn't
particular
say the
case
victim will
of
be
the
worried.
victim in Delhi,
I said the
till
victim
her
will
last
be
moment,
pressurized doubly
till
by
her
the
last
society
moment, she
around
kept
her.
asking.
The
She
pressures
kept
on her
asking
are
whether the
very,
people
very
have been
hard.
caught and punished. I don't think this human
Can I
rights
answer
argument
you,
works.
Arnab?
punished.
Can I
They have to be
answer you?
brought to book
I'm saying that when you
immediately.
talk to a little
Not
girl,
witnesses
a young girl,
discussion.
and try and persuade her to file a complaint of rape, we know how difficult it is. There has been a case in Delhi
So what?
recently,
How
a
does
student,
tough?
it
How do
wasn't
tougher?
publicized.
How
We
do
never told
tougher
the media
laws?
about it.
How do?
Do you know how difficult it was to persuade that girl to file a
Ma'am,
complaint?
you know,
because of the
Miss
variety
Krishnan-
of social pressures on
Miss
her.
Krishnan, don't
Ma'am,
have
I'd
such
like
a
to say
cynical
something
mindset.
over here.
When the person
What we are
facing
trying
the
to,
penalty
ma'am,
is
the
maybe
point
from
we are
a
trying to
family or
make,
community,
One at a
can I
time.
please say
someone
something?
going to face a death
Ma'am,
penalty or
excuse me.
castration.
One
Arnab,
second,
can I
one
please say
minute, one
something?
minute, one minute.
Understand the pressures that women
Not
face.
everyone took it. Mr. Memon is responding first. Mr. Memon, go ahead.
Please. Yeah, see, I would first request everybody else to please keep quiet for a minute. If you want to hear what I want to say, please don't forget that 50% of Indian citizens are women. Out of every 2 Indian citizens, 1 is a woman. How can we deprive them of their safety, their protection, their life, their liberty, their constitutional rights? Certainly not. Now the question is that the fear of law probably does not deter, as on today, the offenders from taking law in their hands and outraging the modesty of women or raping them. So something needs to be done. Apart from, of course, deterrent laws are necessary. Just like murder, in rapes also, facts may differ from case to case. Now, this instant case certainly warrants nothing less than death. So therefore, if the law is modified, death sentence is made applicable to such cases. This is the first case, but here it is also murder, so there is no difficulty at all. Now let us understand that just as in murder cases, we categorize rarest of rare cases and other cases. In rape cases also, hereafter, once death penalty is provided by law, we will categorize rarest of rare rape cases and give them death sentences. One more thing, Arnab, which is very necessary today is this, that confidence of rape victim has to be brought up. The women must be satisfied, must be convinced that they would receive justice once they go to the police station or to the court.
Yeah,
now,
so
therefore,
that-
we need
that's
lady
where
doctors, we need lady police officers, we need prompt reaction, we want respect to women, and that is how these are all factors
but
which
I am-
together contribute to bring down
What are we?
this
What,
graph.
you see,
Otherwise,
we